let's just how to use the macro mod. There you go. And I'm currently on my server using the macro mod. Okay. So let me just check the stream, see how it's going. Okay, so I'm gonna just see if I can put the live chat on the side where I can see it. There you go, and have the game running alongside. Alright, so just bear with me a sec. Alright, whatever. So Natsu, tell me when you're in the live chat. I'll Alright. Alright, so I'm just going to be showing Natsu how to use the live chat now. Where is Natsu? Okay, /TP Natsu. Yeah, okay, so he was over there, whatever. Right, so you want to see how you can make buttons. So you go in the GUI editor, so that's where you create your buttons. I can't remember what this button does. Alright. So to create a button, you go in GUI editor, you create a button, and I'm going to create a new button. So I don't know what this button shall do. So what do you want this button to do? How do you make a key binding? Alright, okay. So this is the GUI key binding. But if you want to make a key binding, you go in the edit key bindings, and you have this screen here. You can also use events. I use the onConfig change event here. And the macro bindings, the buttons, the ones that are on screen. Right, so how to make a key binding. If I wanted to make a key binding that would say hello in chat like that, I would take the hello. I would go to the edit key bindings button and assign this button to the specific code. Now to start a code, you wanna put $2 curly bracket. And to end it, you have to do curly bracket $, and everything we type will be inside those lines. So you could tell it to echo, for example, hello when I press the letter T. So now that my letter T says hello, you can move this around. So I can move it to the letter G if I wanted to. So now when I press G, it will say hello in chat. So I can say hello as much as I want without actually having to type. Now, that's all fine and dandy, but what if you want to say something really long, or you wanted to say like a whole script? For example, here I've got the chat colors, and it shows like the color codes in chat. In that case, you want it to run a script. So I'm going to go over here to the key bindings, put in there, and you want the same thing as before with the $, and curly brackets. You need the curly brackets like this. Curly, not the normal. There's a difference between these two. If you look at these, there. Right, so I want to input a script. So scripts are things that text files that you write yourself with code inside them. And I'm gonna make it run color.txt. That's a script that I made in the past. I think it's color with a U. There you go. Save, and it's the binding for T. So now when I press T, it'll run the script. I don't think I have a color.txt, so let's just go in the text editor. Look at these colors. Oh, it's colors with an s.txt, but you can create a new file. Let's create a new file called color. So our create, and I'm gonna ask it to simply output please use or log. The difference between echo and log is that other players, people see the echo, but they don't see log. Log is only for you. It basically puts stuff in chat for you to see and not the others. So I'm gonna make it say in yellow, please use the colors.txt. We could also make it longer, so we could ask it to wait maybe a bit longer. Maybe let's say 200 ticks, and then echo number 2. So let's make the reason I put 2 there is just because I'm going to make it echo 1 at the time it logs. There you go. So it will echo 1, then it'll wait, and then it will say 2. And it also log please use colors.txt. So now when I press T, it will say 1 in chat with the please use colors.txt logged in yellow, and it will wait a bit, and then it will say 2 a bit later on. There you go, it says 2. So that's how you can make a button execute a script, and I can do this I can press this button as much as I want. I can even spam it there, and then it'll wait a bit, and then it'll spam 2 just a bit later on. So 2, and then it spams the 2. There you go. Right. So that's how you make the buttons. Now I'm going to look at the live chat right now. You don't see key bindings as me in the bottom. I'm pressing. Okay, I don't know what you're pressing, but if you go in the options controls, macro key binding, Schematica macro keybind mods, you have the macro activate key, and that's the button that you want to press. My one's set to home, but you set it to anything you want, and that's the key I'm pressing. Right. Just send me a screenshot of your macro. Oh, you want a teaming in solo modes isn't allowed, so no warnings are required. Okay. Okay, I'm fine, okay, whatever, you... Just don't use this wrongly on CubeCraft, it will get you banned. Hi. So, I could even use the button to say hello, you know? Hello! Right, let's see, yeah, now you have it. So I'm gonna just get rid of this one real quick because I don't need them. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete the 2 buttons that I created and the script that I created. So text editor. Here, this one. If I could just delete that one, little X here in the corner. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes, I want to. Wait, because it's the colors.txt that I was. So I do have a lot of scripts because I've had this mod for a very long time. Use curly brackets. So if I could just okay, something so like that. I'll send it to you via Discord. It should work. Let's see. Natsu, there you go. Yeah, it should start working then. Anything else that could be useful? Maybe later on you can like uh, no, not change the screens, because my screen changes per the server that I'm on. So my cubecraftgames.net one is here. There you go. So when I press the button, I now have my, things here. Oh, people are joining. Okay. Right, so for this one, on this, I've made it so that it automatically switches GUI when I join the server. So if, how to do it? Well, I have the curly brackets on my keyboard. You'll have to find out how to do it with your own keyboard. Can I get OP Corner? Sorry. Alright, let's disconnect and reconnect, and you'll see that the config automatically loads up the Zelcraft config. I didn't make a message, but when I go here, I have my own Zelcraft config here. Let's just add a label. Add a label here, and let's make the label a bit bigger. I'm gonna make it Zelcraft.net. There you go. With a big, nice light blue thing. There you go. Okay, and make this label a bit bigger. So let's edit it a bit. So you click on it, you drag it down, drag it across. There you have it. And there's no way to make the text bigger, but you can center it. Top center or middle center, and click OK. So now we have a Zelcraft.net at the top here, which will show me the or just show you that show me the server that I'm on, or the config. Right, what other things? The reason you can't use this on CubeCraft is because on this config I've got you can just, there's just a ginormous range of things that you can make with this plugin. This one runs a script that spams the use command. So if I was go to edit key bindings, if I was to actually click the machine gun use and go give myself some snowballs, if I can find them. There you go. It would actually spam the snowballs like that. So yeah, let's just stop that. Okay. Other things I've made it do is let's just fill my inventory up with stone, not stone monster eggs, but just normal stone. Okay, let's get rid of these items. Okay, let's fill my inventory up with stone. Right, and slash game mode 120. What's a game mode 0? I'm gonna go through my text editor, and I think it's an autocraft stone brick. I think if I can find it. There you go. It's the craftstonebrick.txt. So now, if I create a button, for example T, and I make it run that script. So to make it run the script, as I said before, you put $$ and these, and we want to, I think it's craft stone brick, craft stone brick. I don't know if caps matter. It doesn't really. I just respect the caps all the time, so I'm not worried about that. Save, and when I press T, open your inventory and wait. and what we'll do is just craft a whole inventory full of stone brick. So yeah, that's basically all stone brick. It doesn't really do the last one, but that doesn't matter. That's all that is stone bricks now. Another reason why it's not allowed on the server, so I'm just gonna slash clear. Right, let's get back to game. Actually, let's go and have a look at the other scripts. Text editor. Let's see. Well, I'm just showing off like what you can actually do with this script. So let's go craft diamond armor.txt. So let's give ourselves some diamonds. Diamond. There you go. And a crafting table. So I think it's crafting bench. If it's not crafting bench, oh no, you have a crafting bench. Okay, now we can set up the script. Let me just get rid of this. Okay, so we have diamonds, and we just need to set up the script so that the script works. Let's see if I can find it. Craft diamond armor.txt. I'm just gonna copy the thing because I'm not. Okay, done. Cancel that and change the button to so that it works. Here. Oops, I accidentally pasted in the wrong thing. Never mind, I'm gonna just have to type it craft. I think it's diamond. I spelled this wrong, it's not gonna work. Armor.txt. Okay, now when I press it, I don't think it worked. Because I don't think I spelled it right. Craft diamond armor on T. Did I press the right button? Yeah. Okay, so it's not working because I spelled it wrong. Craft diamond armor with a U in armor. I knew it. I spelled it wrong. Okay, let's just change that. Add a little U in there. Craft diamond armor. And we press T and look at a crafting bench, and it'll craft a set of diamond armor and put it on for you. I think I edited the script to not make leggings for some reason. We can try that again, but it's still buggy. It works in solo mode. It doesn't work on servers that much. Oh wait, and then it kind of throws out. But there you have it. It kind of crafts the diamond armor. But this is this script is one of the very long ones. If I can find it, there you go. Basically, you can force slot clicks and whatnot, just there. So for some reason, it doesn't equip the leggings. It doesn't make leggings. So you have the chest plate, the helmet, and the boots all made in one go. And then it makes the leggings. Not sure why it does that. It does make the leggings. It kind of just skips leggings. I think I need to make it wait a little bit before it goes to there. Maybe 10 ticks, that will do. So let's try that. There you go, and it made the leggings, and it equips it. Auto equips. There you go. So yeah, let's give ourselves more diamonds. Actually, give Lesbian diamonds, and actually I'm gonna clear. So all it needed was a little wait. So all you have to do is look at a crafting bench. You can see my mouse is not moving, and it just crafts everything and auto equips it in just, you know, seconds. It actually crafts 2 sets. I think that's just because it's buggy. I'm not sure why, but yeah, it's just because it was buggy. But there you go. This server needs a bit of time to like catch up on like how fast it is. time to make a second, time to unequip this set. Let's say I don't want it and I want to make iron armor, so let's just change the button to here and change this to iron, because I made a script for the iron. They craft iron armor, save, and I'm gonna give myself some iron ingot, I think it is, ingot, there you go. So, let's press the button again, and let it craft an iron ingot, and again, it's exactly the same script, so it's for getting the, leggings, so I also have to change that script. Craft the, craft iron armor, there you go. Yeah, let's go down, and make it wait like 10 ticks before. And save that. Let's /clear my inventory. Oh, okay, good. Okay. And give myself the iron ingots, and let's craft it. Again, just press one button, it says look at the crafting bench, and it'll craft everything for you. And then equip it. There you have it. And okay, I don't know whether it's actually equipped, or I don't know whether the ghost items are in your inventory. These aren't the ghost items, so that's great. So yeah, that's basically why this mod is not allowed on CubeCraft. You can make some insane scripts. Now, how do I make it so it triggers when someone says something in chat? For that reason, I have made a script. I'm going to call this OnChat Zelcraft, I think, because I have OnChat CubeCraft. So I'm going to call this one OnChat Zelcraft. Okay, and when this one is on chat, it will strip the chat for a specific thing that's said, and that thing will trigger it. So let me just exit out of that and go into the on chat, not CubeCraft. I'm going to use this one. Oh my god, this one's not even that's on config change. It's the on chat I wanted. On chat, there you go. So it will strip the chat. There you go. So now I go text editor, and let's go for the on chat zelcraft.txt. Let's paste that in, and if the chat contains let's see, React with a capital R. I don't know if it actually takes in capitals. React and Lesbian. I'm gonna echo. So if it has just React, it'll say this: I React. And if both words are included, it'll say Lesbian reacts. I think that's it. No, it's the other way around. It's Lesbian reacts here, and I react. Lesbian doesn't react. Let's just take away that S. If I can just get to it, that would be great. Yes. Right. So let's just save that. And can you tell us can we seed GD automatic when the game is ending? Well, that's exactly what I'm doing right now. When the by the way, you're not actually allowed to use this on CubeCraft. Just saying. So if you're caught with it, you may get banned. So use it wisely. That's all I can say. I mean, you're allowed to use it on this server. So let's see. Let's go to the key bindings. Craft iron armor. Don't want to use that. What was I doing? Oh yeah, the on chat react. So if it has the word react, I don't think I saved the file though that I was editing. That's a bit. Did it? Okay. If the chat contains, so strip chat. If chat contains, then echo react. Else Lesbian doesn't react. Right, so you need to say that in chat. Let's save that, and Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. Let's just have a look at how I did it. Log to if contains chat. Wait. Okay. Cancel that. Let's go to the text editor. Go to the on chat. Cellcraft. Alright, let's just this is the auto GG thing. So chat if contains chat. Hello, you can echo, it'll wait and then it'll echo. I'm not gonna make it wait, I'm just gonna automatically say Lou. I don't even know how that works, but now when you say hello, it... Oh, you know what? It's not working. I'm so dumb. It's not working because you have the script, but you don't have anything that triggers there's no trigger for the script, so it's not gonna be run because it's not triggered. Scripts are only run when they when they're called for, and nothing's actually calling for it. So we've got onChatZelcraft.txt. So you want to go in the onChat event. So that's in the macro key bindings events, and you're looking for the onChat. And on this one, I'm gonna call for the script. So whenever there's a thing on chat, it'll run that script basically. Whenever something says something in chat, it'll run the script. So you have to be careful really what you put into this script, because if you fail anything someone says in chat, and if your script outputs something in chat, anytime someone says something in chat, it'll respond directly. So you have to be careful. So let's just call for the script. So this was on chat. I think it was Zelcraft, and let put .txt at the end. Save it. Now, if you ask to react, it should work. Now, this is buggy because this is what I'm talking about. Because if you have react, it'll react to the word react. So if there you go. So that's basically what I'm talking about. It's reacting to the word react there. So I'm just going to go to the chat and actually make it so that I'm going to add a I'm going to be doing a different word. So you don't want it to trigger itself. So I am here and doesn't respond. That's the only thing. You can't use the trigger word inside your response. Anyway, let's just do that. Updated. So meanwhile, okay, good. Yeah, I was doing a lot of reacting. Spam equals ban. So now you say react, and it will say I am here. Now you say react lesbian, and it'll still say I am here. Little thing. Just checking really. I don't know why it's not saying this. So if it contains lesbian, it'll say that, or else it'll say this. So if it doesn't say react or lesbian, it'll say something else. So you say hang on a sec, that's kind of strange. So yeah, it has the word react. Now if it has lesbian in it, it will say I am here. The problem is when I said react lesbian, it said I am here. But even when I just say react, it still has lesbian in it since it's in the name. So if Cyans was to say it, okay, Cyan is AFK, looks like. Oh my god, okay. Say react. There you go. So now when I say react, I am here, and Lesbian doesn't respond. So there you have it. So when I say react, it'll say I am here, and when Natsu reacts, that's because it just has Lesbian and react inside. Now Natsu say Lesbian react. There you go. There you go. You say Lesbian react. I'm gonna auto respond with I am here, and now you say just say react, and they'll say Lesbian doesn't respond. Right, but it is very spammy when people like find out your script, so you have to be very, very careful with this. So now for the auto GG. For the auto GG, I did. Oh, by the way, if on chat you have the letter C, I'll echo hello. So whenever someone says C, oh wait. That's just because you're saying spelling Lesbian wrong, but whatever. Right, let's just go back here and say, so how to make the auto GG, you put congratulations, you win, exclamation mark, with or without the exclamation mark, congratulations, I forgot the A, it will say GG, like that, and I'm gonna just get rid of this bit. So to make it a comment so that the script doesn't read it, you can put double slashes behind. Oops. Anything with double slashes, the script won't be read. So let's just two of them. There you go. So now we have non-chat event. So now let's say congratulations, you win, exclamation mark. Did I spell it wrong? So, it's, you know, very picky. Yeah, I spelled it wrong. Oh my god. Okay. Right. There you go. Congratulations, you win. And there you have your auto GG at the end. Oh my god, they're just having a party right there. So that's how you make things like react to on the chat. So there are just tons and tons of things to do, and when you actually get into the scripts, it's you can do some pretty crazy things. Let's just go for the craft pumpkin pie. Why not? This one will go through your hotbar, you know, get eggs, it'll get pumpkins, it'll look for reeds, and it'll craft pumpkin pie from that. So yeah, that's all you have it for today. Can you tell us how? Okay, yep, I already said that. I already covered that. Next, colors.txt. That's just a useful script that I made. You can find the scripts in the description below. So let's just go. I'm just going to look for the scripts, macro mod script list. There you go. Copy. I'm going to put that in the description below. So the script list here. Alright, there you go. So I put it in the description. Alright, and I think that's all for today.